Experience the energy, relive the highlights, and hear what attendees are saying about their transformative experiences from TestMu Offline Meetup.
I'm here at a TestMu meetup of Lambda Test. So this is a great, opportunity to meet different people from testing background, and I'm having a great experience because we are having different speakers who are very much experienced. The topics that they are covering, they are somewhere used in my day-to-day work. I'm getting an exposure to different perspective of how they're working.
Yeah, I learned the first thing about the importance of testing in my software development. Like there is a project where I need to apply some test casing. They are using the manual test casing. So this is the first time that I want to apply the automation test case in their application. So yeah, by doing this seminar, I was able to understand how can I do that, where do I start.
Thank Lambda Test for organizing these kind of event, and it is helpful for QA community so that we can meet and greet with each other and the
It's really very good interaction I have done with many colleagues which are in same community, and it's really very great experience, and people have a very extensive views about few topics which I have learned and have cleared my some of the doubt which can help me in the future. I would recommend everyone to just be a part of this meetup. It's very great for testers.